Welcome to today's tutorial where we will explore the necessary steps to remove an admin from a Facebook page. Facebook pages are a crucial tool for connecting with your audience, promoting content, and maintaining an online presence. However, there are moments when it becomes essential to reorganize your team or refresh administrative roles on the page. We will now show you how to open the Facebook application on your phone. After that, click on the menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on Pages here. Now a page with your pages will open. Click on your page. Then click on the switch to switch to your page. Click again on the menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the professional dashboard located here. Scroll down to the section titled Tools, and from that section, select Page Access. To remove an admin, you need to click on the three dots next to the name, and click on the Remove from Page option. Now, it will ask you to re-enter the password for your specific profile. In other words, they want to ensure that you are accessing the account for which you have the necessary permission to remove that other person as an admin. Simply enter the password for your profile, and the process of removing that admin will proceed. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions regarding this, please leave them in the comments below.